Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Samiksha and in today's video I am going to talk about the Erasmus Plus scholarship. So this is a very fantastic opportunity for students and professionals to study abroad. So what is this Erasmus Plus scholarship? It is an initiative by the European Union which is designed to promote education and training within Europe for students. The scholarship provides financial support for various activities, including studying, training, volunteering, and also teaching. What are the key aspects of the scholarship? It is basically allowing you to study a part of your program in another country. So, for example, you can spend a semester abroad, or you can spend an entire year abroad by doing another. For example, you can do your mandatory internship in another country. So, say, for example, you are studying at the Technical University of Munich, you can apply for a partner institution in Italy, for example, the University of Pisa, and you can do one part of your studies semester in this university. What happens is that because it is a partner institution of your university, the credits for this semester will get transferred to your program. So the advantage is that you get financial support for studying in a new country, in another university. You get international exposure, and the grant is given for your travel, for your accommodation, and for your living expenses. Now you might be wondering how you can apply for this opportunity. So you have to go to your university's website. So every university, at least in Germany, most universities have a page dedicated to Erasmus Plus scholarship, and they have a set of partner institutions. So you can go to the website, you can search the universities in other countries, and you have to see that which universities offer your program of interest. So it is not like all universities in Netherlands, for example, offer your program. It could be a few universities, and you have to see if the credits are recognized by the university you are studying in. And the application form is online, so you need to fill the application form, which requires filling it online. You need documents like your letter of motivation, you need a CV, and maybe also the IELTS test score, which you might have already given before coming to Germany. So you need a language test certificate, and apart from that, you need to complete your first year of master's program before applying to the Erasmus program. So you need to have completed a certain set of credits before applying to this program. And these are the basic things. You get to choose at least 3 universities, so minimum is 3 you can choose. You can also go up to 8, but this is university dependent. So it depends, like probably TUM offers you 8 choices, but another university might offer you only 3. So, with the Erasmus scholarship is a very good opportunity because not only do you get financial support for studying in a new country, it progresses your academics, you gain academic and professional and personal development. It helps you have more networking, and you get that cross cultural experience of studying in another country. Besides this, cultural exchange helps you in your personal growth. It increases your employability and looks also very good on your CV. So these are the advantages of getting the Erasmus Plus scholarship. The big question is, how much is the grant per month? So it depends on which country you are studying in. So for example, if you're going to study in a country that has higher living costs, for example, if it is Denmark, then the grant is a little bit higher. It could be up to 450 to 400 euros. If you are going to study in a medium cost of living country, for example, if you go to Italy or Netherlands, then the grant is a little bit lower. So it is approximately about 200 to 400 per month. And if you go to low cost of living countries, like for example, Bulgaria, then it would be about 200 to 350 per month. So it depends on the country that you're going to and what is the living cost of that country. If you come from a disadvantaged background, or if you are a student with disability or special needs, then you are given an extra 100 200 euros to support your needs. It was all about the Erasmus Plus scholarship. Usually there is a page dedicated on your university website where you can find all the information. There is a contact person for each department whom you can reach out to in order to know what the deadline is and when can you apply, what are the documents necessary for your your university. Overall, it is a fantastic opportunity to broaden your horizons and gain valuable experience. And you should make the most of it if you get this opportunity by the university that you are studying in. And yeah, that was all. If you have any questions, please feel free to write them down in the comment section and I will try my best to answer them. If you found this information helpful, do not forget to like, share, and hit the bell icon for the next video. Until then, bye and take care.